Alright, if you have a Ford Fusion, this one here is a 14, but I think it's like 12 and newer. And your shift bushing here keeps popping off just real easy. And I'm going to show you a cheap at-home fix. You're going to want to remove your 15mm nut here off your shift shaft here. It's going to be a cheap at home. This one they've tried bushing. The cable's just wore out, but we're going to get them by. Then you're going to want to pull your little shift adapter off. Looks like this. And we're going to grind this stud out, and I'm going to put a bolt in here. And I'll be right back when that's done to show you. Alright, so here's what we've ended up with. I ground it out. Angle grinder, put a 1/4 20. Now I'm not going to use all these washers, but and I got a carriage bolt. Okay, it's a 1/4 20 carriage bolt. And what this is going to do, and you can see in the center there, if we enhance, see we got a generic bushing in there that'll fit this 1/4 20 bolt shift bushing we grabbed at a local auto parts store. So now we're going to put this back on under here like so, and then our shift cable, if you got a Cavalier, this works too, and it's keyed so it'll only fit on there one way. And then our nut, which is a 15mm, will go back on. Yeah, there we go. It goes back on. It gets tightened down. Get it started by hand. Then we'll run our. We'll grab our ratchet here. And we'll run it right down. I got a wobble on here to work around this line. I got the car in. We got the car down at like drive. The e-brake set, we just tighten that up. And with it dry, we can maneuver this shifter. That's what we do. And then we'll be able to stick this. So we'll grab a couple washers off. We just need sure between. Then we stick our shift cable with the bushing down on that 1/4 20 bolt. And we're gonna, no washers on top. We'll put nuts on. Nope, dropped it. So I'm gonna have to do that. So we're just gonna put this nut on. Just gonna keep it. There we go. And it's a lock nut. So we'll come back off. That lock nut should do it. So that's how we're fixing this issue, and then it should be good. Make sure your bolt don't stick down too far or you will interfere with your transmission. It'll rub, but this one looks good, and we're going to button it up, and that's Just, whoops. Oops, there we go. Just a cheap, easy way to fix one of these at home. This will work on some Cavaliers and Sunfires too. They have this bushing, but there you go. It's kind of a permanent fix here, so unless the cable breaks, this isn't going anywhere. I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful, wonderful week.